Hi, I'm Jonathan with Franklin and CycleWorks. In this lesson we're going to talk about sizing a road bike. Now there's lots of different ways to size a road bike, but the most important one is the down tube measurement right here. What you're going to want to do is take a tape measurement like this, a ribbon tape measurement, and measure from the center of the bottom bracket, or the center of the crank right here, up to the seat tube cluster. Now this one reads 52 centimeters. That's a good way to get an idea of the size of the bike. This is a fairly small frame for a fairly small rider. Larger bikes are going to measure up to 60 centimeters. Now another way to just get an idea of the size of the frame without actually making this measurement is going to be to stand over the top tube. You don't want it hitting you, but you want it just beneath you, within a few centimeters. That's going to give you a good indication of whether or not it's close enough to your size. Again, I'm Jonathan with Franklin and CycleWorks. Hope this tutorial has been helpful in finding the right size of bike for you.